Hello guys, my name is Gentleman, and today I'm going to be teaching my friend in Animal Company.
Hi.
So we need to teach this guy how to play Animal Company. So let's just teach him. So what do you want to get taught first?
I don't know. I think.
So like there's weapons like this,
Yeah, weapons. Come on. I guess.
this.
I want the revolver.
Water
I want the
balloon.
revolver.
Water balloon.
I'm gonna shoot you.
If you want to shoot me, come here. If you want to kill me, then you can just go out here. Here, and then shoot. You have to press this.
What?
Press B. Press B on your right controller. Yeah, like that.
My first elimination.
Okay, so first I think you need to be learning the basics of the game. So, come here. Eat this. Oh, you're red watch right now. Red watch means that even if you're in the safe zone, then you can get killed.
How do I eat it?
Put it in your mouth and hold it. And then to fall, like you have to do the.
It don't work.
You have to jump in the air and then do it.
What button do you press?
You don't have to press any button. You just need to, yeah, like that. You just did it. Like okay, wait, jump in the air and then squat. You're doing it. You're struggling. But yeah, we have water guns now. This is the new update. Wait, shoot me with it. You don't have to press B. What's the fight? I ran out of beans. Okay, so let's go mining. So all you need is to open. You just need to press a B.
How do I drop this?
Then we're gonna go mining. Oh, okay. Are you ready to go mining in the deep dark?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready to face the monsters and get research points?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So don't read the sign. It says safe and calming place. It says
I'm falling.
wait, it says safe and calming place, okay? Just pretend. Pretend it doesn't say danger. Pretend that doesn't say danger. Pretend.
Yeah, it's a safe and calming place and no one. Yeah.
Exactly. Like it's the most safe place in the game.
Yeah, I've played the game before, yeah.
It's the most safe game in the game. Just go through the portal.
What?
It's the most safe place in the game.
I'm gonna kill everyone.
What? Nah.
Why? Is it just a real calm, relaxing thing?
Yeah, exactly. We're not gonna go beach today. We can go later. First we need to teach you how to walk because you're walking slow. So just walk like this. Just walk like this. With big jumps. Okay, so right. Here. Hello. Let's mine these first.
Wait,
No, it's at the top.
8 or 0?
Huh?
I can't see because of the light.
Oh, okay, I'll turn it off. Say it again. Alright, look at it.
0.
Oh, so you have 0 nuts? No, it's at
Yeah.
the middle top. Like, it's at the second top. It's the second top one.
I can't see.
Turn off.
No!
Press B. Okay. Yeah, and now look at it.
It still says 0.
Oh, okay. So we need to get you. Okay, so
Wait, I lost my crowbar.
wait, pass me your bag and light. Just drop it, and then drop the light, and then let me put it back on your thing.
I can't see anything
Okay,
except
here you go.
light.
Oh wait. And then look at this dude trying to steal my crowbar. Just watch. Wait. Okay, you can take that. You can take this. Put that in your back though. Put this on your back. No, don't press B. Don't press B. It doesn't matter. Eat the beans so you can go back up.
Right.
I guess we're leaving all our things.
No.
Look how many things we have. We have 3 beans. We're keeping the beans. And the crowbars. And the guns.
So basically keep everything.
No.
Let me pack my bag.
And the ammo.
So how do I put my gun inside? It just... It doesn't go inside.
Pass. Wait, pass. It's because of the goop. Where's your light?
Someone stole it.
Yeah, it was in your bag.
Oh.
Put it on your back. And then
Put the guns in.
put the gun in.
Dude,
Put your beans in. Yeah.
don't...
And put your crowbar.
What?
Put it on your back now. Put it on your back now. Here.
I can't see anything because why is it so bright?
It's because it's the light. Because it's bright. Stand there.
Ah!
Come. We're gonna go back now.
What?
We're back. Jump. Okay. Now let's teach you.
Everyone subscribe to Breakfast.
No.
Yeah, come.
No.
Guys, at Gorilla Tag. At Gorilla /tag 21.
So you can take off your bag now. Guys, you know who to subscribe to. You should subscribe to Gentleman VR. Yeah.
The Gentleman VR is cheap, right?
No, he's not.
He is.
Bro, it says you. You only have 12 subscribers.
You got told, oh, you got me talking.
I have 203.
I nearly took my controller, so I crashed it.
Okay. Let's go do something else now. So what do you want to do? Do you want to go look at the maps?
Let's play Scary Baboon.
We need to record the video first and then we can play Scary Baboon.
Oh, this video is no one's gonna watch it.
You'll see. It's gonna be.
video. It's not
It's
even
gonna be called Teaching My Friend in Gorilla. Animal Company. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so these are the items. So come here. These are water balloons. Water. Which one do you want? This one?
I'm dropping the crowbar.
The blue one or the blue one? The blue one. And then just throw it. You can throw it at me, you can throw it at someone. You have to go.
Oh no.
You have to press A. You have to press A and then throw it. You have to throw it and press A at the same time. Press A. Put it on your back. How did you do that? Just press A like and throw it like.
Oh,
It's on your back. Okay.
I've unlocked it.
Do you wanna go have a full-on war?
Yeah, but give me a gun.
Okay, bet. And eat some beans as well. Don't take the crowbar. Okay, here's your gun. Okay, so the way you go to have walls is in stage 5. You grab that, press B. To go have walls, follow me. You have to just squat like hard. Yeah, like that. When you get used to it, then it's fun to do. But there's also other traveling things like teleport guns and other things. Here. I'm here. I keep screaming, I keep breathing, and our body asks for help. Okay. Go inside. Okay, let's go have the war in stage 5. Come follow me. Follow me. Leave Follow me. I'm gonna play that in the sounds. Yes, I am. Okay.
I'm gonna hear you sing it anyway.
Now I'm gonna mute myself.
Oh, mute me as well then.
Nah. Okay. You wanna have that? Nah. How am I missing these?
I've played this game before. Why is there a fish coming at me?
Follow me, leave your home, family, leave your fish.
I don't have any more ammo.
Then take some to reload. You just need to get this. Then press B on the revolver. And get some more beans as well. No, wait, pass me your revolver. And that's all. No, I didn't. You have it.
I don't know where you are.
Die! You wanna go see what the stash is? You wanna go see what the stash is?
No, I'm gonna kill you now.
Ah!
I'm playing Animal Company.
I'm taking your gun.
No! Come back! This has no ammo in it.
Okay, take another gun. Take this one. This one has ammo. You took the wrong gun. Please.
You don't have any ammo.
I'm gonna take you to the after. I wanna take you to the afterlife. That's not the gun. Oh, it is.
Wait, is that of ammo? Is that of ammo?
Here's your gun. There. No, here. This one. I see no popola. I need more ammo.
I need more ammo.
How long have I been recording for? 23 minutes.
Yeah, because they're not gonna be a YouTube short, bro.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a show. It's gonna be a video.
Yeah, no one's gonna watch it. That means.
Yes, they are. I've got 141 views on a movie that I made, and that was like 30 minutes long. Are you ready to die? Press B on your press Y. Look at your left controller and press Y. Yeah. Okay. The one shot.
Wait, let me see what my head. Let's have my headset.
One shot as well.
My headset is on 20%.
No.
La 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 la.
With the power of love. Hello, I'm a baby ghost. Bro. Wait, show us your dance again. Show us your dance.
No.
Yes, show us. Show us. Show us your dance.
Give me the gun.
I'm gonna play some dance music.
No, if you give me a gun, I'm gonna kill you.
Wait, which one is it? Oh wait, there's a game called Russian Roulette. I was gonna play Russian Roulette with you.
Whoa.
Okay, let's play some Russian Roulette, boy. Bro, I was setting out the game. I'm setting out the game.
I want this one.
You have to flip them over and then drop it. Okay, your turn.
What do I have
Grab
to
it,
do?
flip it over, and then drop it. See
What?
if you get the ghost face, then you die. So grab one. And wait, flip it over. My turn. I hate this game. Hey guys, okay, guys, I was just joking about that, okay? Animal Company, please. I'm sorry. I was just joking. Yeah, you died as well! I'll revive you. Okay. Okay, your turn. You never know, it can be random. Your turn.
No.
Yes!
I'm gonna die.
See? You didn't die. No, you can't do that.
Do what?
No!
There's only 3 fingers, bro. So that's my index finger. Look. It's my index finger.
Okay, let's play another round.
And you're gonna get bomb cloud.
One of these is the death one. So you go first. I'm feeling lucky. That was not lucky. I was. Okay.
Adrian, I have to go end the video.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, wait. And that, guys, will be the end of the video, but there will be a part 2 maybe later today. So, bye, guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Remember to subscribe to him and me.
Yeah. At Gorilla.
No,
Gorilla.
I'll put you as a collaboration, boy. I'll put him as a collaboration. So, guys, be ready for the video. This probably will take like 2 hours or something to
upload,
download, and to edit. So, bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.